Hi, I'm Millicent Walker. Here's your Channels TV news update for March the 3rd, 2020. Police in Taraba State have arrested a suspected child trafficker, Mary Yakubu, with 23 children in her custody. The children, who are between the ages of 4 and 7, comprise 14 boys and 9 girls. Police authorities in the state say they were intercepted at a park in Bali Local Government Area on their way to board a vehicle. In the nation's capital, the Supreme Court is hearing the application seeking the review of its judgment, which sacked Mr. Emeka Ihedioha as governor of Imo State. Mr. Ihedioha and the People's Democratic Party are asking for a review of the judgment after about 7 months of being inaugurated as governor of Imo State. Staying with legal matters, an Abuja High Court presided over by Justice Danlami Senchi is set to deliver a ruling on an interlocutory application seeking to stop Mr. Adams OSHIOMHOLE from parading himself as the national chairman of the All Progressives Congress (APC). The plaintiffs are asking the court to declare that Mr. OSHIOMHOLE cannot continue to hold the office of the national chairman, having been validly suspended as a member of the party. On the international scene, the Taliban are resuming attacks against Afghan government forces just days after they signed a deal with the United States aimed at bringing peace to the country. The hardline Islamist group had observed a reduction in violence in the week leading up to the agreement, but threatened the talks would not go ahead if 5,000 Taliban prisoners held by the government were not released. And in sports, Arsenal have qualified for the quarter-final round of the FA Cup after scoring in both halves to beat League One side Portsmouth. Portsmouth fought hard in the first half of the game at Fratton Park, but fell to the Gunners after conceding goals from Socrates Papastathopoulos and Eddie Nketiah just before the break and 6 minutes after the restart. And that's the news update. Don't forget to join us later for the recap. I'm Millicent Walker. Thank you for watching.